What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This was another requested video for one of my subscribers and followers, and donator. Shout outs to Janal again for hitting me up in the Facebook fan page messages. So he wanted to know, he has Google Fi Invisible just like I do on a Google Pixel. All right, so this is the Pixel 3 AXL. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate to you guys and step by step how to get incoming calls on the dual SIM support with both phone numbers. All right, so right now I'm finna go show you the settings, and we're going to go into the network and internet. All right, so this is what you want to do: go to network and internet. All right, then you want to go to all these notifications. You want to go to visible, okay, and then you want to call preference. You want to make sure you ask anytime. Tap on ask every time. All right, you want to do that. Same way with the Google Fi. You want to go to the Google Fi settings, and then you want to go to call preferences, and then you want to ask every time. All right, you want to tap on that. Okay, that's one step. Another step is go to your dollar, go to your stock dollar, go through the settings portion right here. Then you want to go to calling accounts. So you're going to see your visible and your Google Fi SIM. The Google Fi is the eSIM, and the visible is the physical SIM card inside the Pixel 3. So now you want to go to make and receive calls. You want to make calls with and ask every time. So you select ask every time. You cancel that. Well, I'm canceling that because it's already selected. So down here it says receiving incoming calls. It will use more battery life. You got to turn that on though. All right. So after that, it's done. All right. Let's see. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to make a call from the iPhone. Using the iPhone. Hold on, my fault, y'all. All right. So let me make a phone call using the visible SIM, and let's see what happens. All right. So another way you could determine if it's coming from for the visible number, it says via visible. Right there, call via visible. All right. So, okay. All right, I'm gonna close that. And then let me try with the Google Fi. All right, should be incoming soon. All right, so that's the Google Fi number. All right, you tap on that and you see Google Fi. So that's another way you could determine whether or not it's the Google Fi number that's being incoming or the visible. Another option you can try to determine which is which is go through your network settings. All right, go through visible. All right, and then you see the edit, the little pen, little pencil. You tap on that. Now you're getting different SIM names and colors. So you could change the color for the SIM, especially for text messages. So you could change it through pink, red, purple, indigo. All right, so the colors is used by compatible applications. So if you got Android, it's different alternative like SMS apps like Post, Textra, Yada. All right, and yeah, that's how you can determine whether or not you're getting an incoming call from Google Fi or visible. All right, if you guys have any more questions, please leave those questions in the comment section below. If you're new here, subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.